When I saw him, I did not want to believe it. This you consume every day is destroying all your bones. Coca-Cola is the most favorite soft drink in the world, almost for all people, but what you do not know is that it is killing you little by little. Many people are suffering from diseases that do not know where they come from, as doctors are told to stop eating and drink some things, but I think the point is in the Coca-Cola. After you read what Coca-Cola to your body, you will never take it again. This is the poison that destroys your bones, and even if you do not believe it, almost everyone takes it even once a day. Thousands of people take it daily, and this is destroying all their bones. First 10 minutes. Receiving 10 tablespoons of sugar at once can have a devastating effect on our body. If we do not vomit, it is thanks to the production of phosphoric acid by our organism. 20 minutes. Glucose causes our insulin levels to increase dramatically. Then, the liver will transform all the sugar into fat and accumulate it. 40 minutes. Our body will have had time to absorb all the caffeine. As a result, your pupils will dilate, your blood pressure will rise, and the liver will release even more glucose into the bloodstream. Adenosine receptors, the key molecule in the sleep process, are blocked. This process prevents us from falling asleep. 45 minutes. Our body begins to produce dopamine, the substance that stimulates the pleasure centers of our brain. It is an effect compared to that produced by heroin. 60 minutes. We will have to gain from urinating. In doing so, we will be eliminating calcium, magnesium and zinc, among other important substances that were not absorbed by our body. As time goes on, we will have what is known as a sugar basin, and we are likely to feel heavy, lazy and sleepy. It also causes the absence of minerals such as calcium, which cause the bones to weaken. So, to review, Coca-Cola encourages the production of lipids, fat, increases your blood pressure, releases excessive amounts of dopamine, makes you more irritable and causes dehydration. In